wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best motorcycle headlights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If something unfortunate happened to your previous bucket and light, then the Hozan Black LED is the kit to replace them. It comes bundled with a lamp, clamps, and an attractive satin finish shell, and works with Honda, Suzuki, cafe racers, and custom choppers alike. It's offered in chrome as well and accommodates 32 to 40mm fork tubes. However, it's a bit of a pain to put together. At number 9, a solid replacement for anyone who owns a Victory model. The proauto Cross Country draws around the same amperage as your original bulb did, so you don't have to worry about increased power consumption, and you'll only need a few simple tools to get it installed. It uses your existing wiring and provides a consistent and even spread, but the housing isn't labeled. Coming in at number 8 on our list. One of the best things about the Sealight High-Low is its patented safe beam pattern design, which can dramatically increase your field of vision without overpowering oncoming vehicles with glare, so other drivers won't be compromised but will still know you're there. It offers a sizable heat dissipation area and few to no dark spots. However, it tends to interfere with radios. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle headlights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with its proprietary lens design and arc beam technology, the Opt7 fluxbeam offers focused illumination that can't be beat. Plus, it features a thoughtful cooling system to protect the bulb from overheating, so you'll have thousands of hours of continuous light. It includes a rain-resistant cyclone fan and a convenient instant on feature, but it suffers from occasional flickering issues. Moving up our list to number 6. The sleek-looking LX Light Chrome are twice as bright as your stock lights, and the main unit is outfitted with handy ventilation breathers that you can open before you ride, which will reduce condensation buildup in muggy climates and extend its lifespan in the process. It's supported by a 1-year warranty and comes with matching passing lamps. However, it might require modification. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Suparee Round Cree offers a quick plug-and-play installation, so you'll be on the road within minutes. It's outfitted with striking white angel eyes for your daytime running light, and can switch to a vibrant amber variation to serve as your left and right turn signals. It fits the majority of Harleys, and provides both high and low beams, but it doesn't come with any instructions. At number 4, with a die-cast aluminum housing, a tough resin cover, and a waterproof IP65 rating, the sunpie projector offers reliable durability at a budget-friendly price. With 4 times the power of halogen on the low setting, it'll shine a full 150 yards ahead for undisturbed visibility. This one includes a bonus adapter and is both dust and shock-proof. It uses minimal energy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The comprehensive truckmall kit has everything you'll need to illuminate your ride, including a 7-inch headlamp, 2 4.5-inch fog lights, a wire harness, 6 connectors, and a handy ring. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty, so you're covered should anything go awry. It's DOT, SAE, and E-Mark approved, and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's straightforward to install too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle headlights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the wisamic compatible will pair with a litany of popular models as long as they're already outfitted with a 5 3/4-inch headlamp. Its high-performance diodes are rated for 50,000 hours, so you'll be able to enjoy it for years before having to think about a replacement. It features exclusive sealing technology, a hard-wearing clear cover, and superior foreground illumination. And taking the top spot on our list, you'll experience a smooth output free of dead spots with the truck-lite headlamp, which uses metallized reflector optics to ensure an even spread of white light close in color temperature to natural daylight. And when installed properly, it exceeds federal safety standards. This one's also great for classic cars and is heavy and well made. It's built to withstand strong vibrations. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle headlights, or simply click beneath this video.